spice swap challenge. I've got a few different spices. Got mint, parsley, basil,
Thyme.
and garlic. So first I'm going to do this. Oh, it smells nice. So there's my mint. So
How does that taste?
tastes like tea a bit. Tastes like a tea bag or something. That tastes weird. I might have a drink of that. Okay, and my next one is parsley. Okay, so I'm gonna put some parsley on my spoon. And there's my parsley. Try that. Tastes weird. Tastes plain. Tastes a bit like the mint, but like more plain. That's what it is. And now we've got basil.
What do you think this one might taste like?
Like a leaf. I don't know. Okay, so there's my basil. That's gross. Okay.
What did it taste of?
Of grossness. Next, I've got thyme, which I don't even know what it is. Maybe I should do this side. Okay. There's my thyme.
What does it smell like?
Nothing. And it tastes like nothing. It tastes weird, that is. But it tastes like nothing. So, next one I've got is garlic.
Do you think this will taste quite strong?
Yeah, I've had a piece of garlic before. I tried it, it tastes gross.
Just raw?
Yeah, just like raw, it's gross.
You like it in your dinner though, don't you?
Yeah.
It smells quite strong.
Yeah.
Very
Smells
garlicky.
weird. I actually kind of like the smell. Oh, I put quite a lot.
You have to eat it all.
Ooh. That's my garlic on my spoon. Poo!
Do you not like it?
No, what is that?
Garlic.
It should be good. Disgusting. Ew. Oh my god, it's gonna be scared. Oh, jeesh. Jeesh. Well, I know something for a fact. Never try garlic. Garlic stuff. This grossness. And the one that tasted the best is gonna be got one mint because I like the taste of tea. And the worst one is got to be this gross garlic granules. Tastes like powdery grossness to me. So that's all for today at Leia. Bye. Oh, and by the way, give me a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.